Nadugo and Falaba TV News. A day for me and for you.
Hi and welcome to Nadugo and Falaba TV News, and please go over with social media platforms. Don't forget to leave your comment and share the videos them we will upload. Me we call this wonderful program to my name na Abdul Masagi aka DJ Dulman. Alright, please, I want to say sorry. My voice not look okay because we saw we did the place too cold. Today inside the program, the Government Technical Institute, we na GTI, and then they na Sokrala, Kwenadugo District. GTI in a place who say plenty people they go for go learn different skills them. Don't get them first inauguration, who say them elect the new presidents for the Students Union. We na Mr. Mohamed Tamba. We talk to Ram and he continue for say he come na the GTI for can learn. We he don't say na the school and the school don't see say yes as a all students na the school able for lead in company students them for become the president na the school. Well, we go na the program who side and swear them in and himself be able to swear the people them where he be select for make them go able run different office them. We be go there and this will be able to get for una.
My name is Mohamed Tamba. I attend the Government Technical Institute, GTI, we normally call GTI. Me and the present student, president. Who we don't do inauguration today. On the 3rd of December 2021. I'm so happy anyway, because it take a lot of struggle and leadership not to pick and play, and we try with level best with the support of my colleague student then and the leaders then were I choose or I elect for letting day with me. But I thank God for that. We all do work amicably with no problem so far. So I'm so happy today na a joy for me. My message to the people that more than no one land scale. They say the idle man is the devil workshop. If you don't idle, you don't do nothing na you life. At the end of the day, no problem. You must need necessary things in your life. But if you don't get money, no problem. But if you can learn technology now, I believe say you must do something better than your life where you don't go ask nobody, you don't go depend to nobody.
Me na cadet Lancer na Vice President, Government Technical Institute, Sokrala Kabala. Well, today na my happiest day. From what I grew up, I don't ever be vice president. And today I'm the happiest day when they elect me as a vice president. And I'm gladly I go work with the students and the administration. Well, I tell me come girl picking them, let we learn skill work. If you don't go to school, you never get your works, you never get your becare. You can't learn the skill work, learn the tailoring, learn the galata dyeing, the dressing. You go more make let you be somebody tomorrow. In a computer I can learn. Because I don't sit, I don't get my works. I want to learn computer.
Okay.
When I IT. The teacher they teach me well. I know I've been naughty about computer. But as for now, if you ask me some kill team and computer, I'm able.
You know Nakadati Kuguma, GTI from the IT department. I mean, I'm Minister of Health and Sanitation. Be your message to come again speaking there. Me like ask, make you order house. Don't no more say me if I don't sit to us. Me at the end of my life is no time for becoming liability. Come now GTI now and come do it cause.
Mina Karifala Anthony Kamara, attached at the Government Technical Institute, Sokrala Kabala Electrical Department. Alright, thank you very much. Your message to Fambul out there, I dey plead to all parents, please una send una pikin dem at the Government Technical Institute. As we don't see today, most young people, as they sit was, then get the 1-2 credits, they don't decide to become a dropout. If you don't go ride Okada, then they go inside timber. And we see today the kind chaos and disaster where the timber can cause. Please, parents, una send una pikin and let them can learn something. Me waiting at the electrical department, I not be ever know about solar installation, I not be ever know about wiring. But I tell God thank you today, I know about solar installation. I can even install 10, 15 solar without no qualms, no problem. I can wire you also, no problem. We get the catering department. If you get your hotel, you get your guest house, or you get you married, you want to make you married cake or whatever, we get the department now. We get to IT department, we get the tailoring, we get the building and construction. So Fambulem una sell una pikin. You know, if we take a look at Germany, China, now the minimum power today don't make, they don't grow. But this minimum power we can neglect, then they make today salon many drop out day, lapses day. So please parents, una send una pikin at the Government Technical Institute na Kabala, make them come and learn something. I thank you, sir.
All right, thank you to you too. And this one, yes, it makes sense for let people not go see them. So I don't want them because we know the youth them today don't involve into politics. But if you get outside their chat and able to do 1 or 2 things, then we go able to help your life. I think say this one go better. You know, boku tif them and boku bad in the world, you know, then go stop. And do ya now for go na the Government Technical Institute when a GTI it then a Sokrala Kabala Town Koinadogo district, we then go teach you plenty skills them where you want for learn. And one for say plenty thank you to all the students them where they as we wish them make them go graduate and come out and work for the people of Koinadogo and Falaba district. All right, and I want to say plenty thank you to the management and the entire team for this great job way then they do. All right, and then get different side of way you go able to learn. You know, then get carpentry, then get tailoring, then get the IT department, then get the solar installation, everything. You know, so go out there and go learn something. I want to say plenty thank you. And like I say, my voice not look okay, but I hope say the news don't pass. Plenty thank you for watching this video and wake out and my name is Abdul Mansage, aka DJ Dolman. Till we meet again, I want to say bye bye.
Koinadogo and Falaba TV News. It did for me and for you.